eyes are one of our most precious senses. Yet today, many people struggle with vision problems and in severe cases, even loss of eyesight. This not only makes daily activities harder but also affects confidence, independence, and emotional well-being. Poor eyesight can be caused by factors like excessive screen time, lack of sleep, and even dehydration. It impacts academics, careers, hobbies, and social interactions, making life more challenging at every step. But science brings hope with an innovative solution called stem cell therapy. Stem cells are special cells in our body that have the power to regenerate and heal. Doctors can derive them from bone marrow, umbilical cord blood, or even adipose tissue. In eye disorders, stem cells can regenerate damaged retinal cells, reduce inflammation, and even replace dysfunctional tissues. They also release growth factors that protect existing cells, slowing down diseases like macular degeneration, retinopathy, and optic nerve damage. In India, stem cell therapy for eyesight is gaining recognition for its promising results. Many patients report better vision, reduced inflammation, and improved quality of life. Stem cell therapy is still evolving, but its potential to restore vision offers hope to millions. With continued research, the dream of overcoming poor eyesight may soon become a reality.